You're listening to leadai.dev, exploring the new features of Composer 2 for enhanced code generation. Cursor has unveiled Composer 2, a pivotal upgrade in their code generation tool, boosting efficiency for developers. What shipped? As reported by leadai.dev, Cursor has launched Composer 2, moving from version 1.5 to 2.0. Major updates include the introduction of the Smart Suggestions feature, which leverages advanced AI to provide context-aware code snippets. The API endpoint has also been updated to /API/v2/composer, offering enhanced request handling with up to 500 concurrent requests. Additionally, Composer 2 supports a 250,000 token context window, an increase from the previous limit of 100,000 tokens, maintaining the existing pricing structure of $5 per 1,000 tokens. New Smart Suggestions feature for context-aware code generation. API endpoint updated to /AP/v2/composer with improved handling. Why this matters. The launch of Composer 2 significantly impacts development teams, especially those with 520 members who rely on rapid prototyping and iterative testing. Teams making over 1,000 API calls per day can expect a 30% reduction in response times due to the improved concurrent request handling. Previously, developers had to rely on multiple tools to achieve similar functionality, which could lead to inefficiencies and increased costs. The downside is that migration may require adjustments in existing workflows, which could temporarily disrupt productivity. 30% faster response times for teams with 1,000 API calls/day. Consolidates multiple tools into a single streamlined process. How to take advantage. If you're using Composer for code generation, here's what to do. First, update your API requests to the new endpoint /API/v2/composer this week. Next, implement the Smart Suggestions feature in your existing codebase by integrating the new parameters in your requests. This should be completed within the next 30 days to ensure you benefit from the efficiency gains before your next release. If you're using legacy code, consider migrating your existing implementations to take advantage of the expanded token context. Update to /AP/v2/composer for all API calls immediately. Integrate Smart Suggestions into your workflow within 30 days. What to watch. While Composer 2 offers significant enhancements, developers should monitor potential risks associated with the new features. Pay attention to any latency issues during peak usage as the system ramps up its capacity. Additionally, as this version rolls out, keep an eye on any limitations or bugs that may arise in the initial phase. Cursor plans to expand the feature set over the next quarter, so staying updated on new announcements is crucial. Thank you for listening, leadai.dev. Watch for latency issues during peak usage periods. Stay updated on new feature announcements and bug fixes. Key takeaways. Teams utilizing Composer 2 can improve code generation efficiency by leveraging Smart Suggestions. Developers making 1,000 API calls/day should expect a 30% reduction in response times. Migrating to the new API endpoint can streamline workflows and reduce costs. Market signals. Increased demand for AI tools. A rise in usage indicates a shift towards more efficient development practices. What to do next? If you're currently using Composer 1.x and spending $250/mo, migrate to Composer 2 immediately for cost savings. If your team relies on real-time suggestions, integrate the Smart Suggestions feature within the next month. If you have existing projects that involve complex logic, begin testing with the new context window this week. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.